Under getting started section, 2 installation steps are given. The first one will be using PECL for installing. This is for the installation of MongoDB extension. For the second one, you need to use Composer. You can use PECL or you can directly download from php.net. So visit php.net, search for MongoDB. So this will take you to the extension page. As you can see, database extensions, vendor specific extensions, MongoDB. Click on the installing configuring section. As mentioned earlier, you can use PECL for installing this extension, or you can directly download the DLL. Click on this. There is a mistake here. That is, this extension has to be PHP MongoDB.dll, not this one, because this DLL refers to the legacy driver. So for extension, we'll be having PHP MongoDB.dll. Click on this. On clicking the DLL, will be listed with thread and non-thread safe options. Click on the thread safe x86. In the zip file, you'll be able to see the PHP MongoDB.dll. This has to be kept under the extension directory, and this entry needs to be added to the php.ini file.